Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to sign out on your accounts on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Now as you see, you are on the discover page, so click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and in the bottom right here you will find sign out, so just click on it. So you will be signed out of all your accounts. So that's it. If you want to sign out, just click on it. If you don't want to, just click cancel like this. So that's how to sign out from your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.